Deleting author and dating from WordPress post is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome. And now you have to enter your website link in the search bar. And after it, you have to do login into your WordPress dashboard. Here you have to enter username and password. And then you have to click on login button when your WordPress website dashboard is opened. Then here are two methods to remove date and author from your WordPress post. First method is through the code and second method is through the plugin button. By using the first method, here you have to click on Appearance, and then you have to click on Customize button, and after it you have to click on Additional CSS button. Now you have to scroll down, and now here you have to enter the code. When the code is entered, after it, you have to click on Publish button, and second method is you have to click on Plugin button, and then you have to click on Add New button, and then after it you have to enter WP Meta and Date Remover in the search bar, and then you have to click on Install Now button. After it you have to click on Activate button, and then click on Skip. And now you have to click on Privacy Settings, and you can change anything here according to your requirement. But we have to remove author and date here. So scroll down. Here you have to select Remove Date and Author. So click on Yes button for both. Then click on Save Changes button. After it, your date and author will be removed from your WordPress post. And it's done. So in this way you can delete date and author from your WordPress post.